Glimpse Contact Center Dashboard presents a contact center resource planning solution for a multimodal transportation company. Glimpse is a world-class modeling, forecasting, and planning tool that you can use from your laptop with Power BI or Tableau. Glimpse is equipped with an industrial-strength real-time data acquisition and data transformation engine. Glimpse models learn from historical and real-time data and let you explore and evaluate a wide range of what-if scenarios to find the best possible outcomes. The magic in Glimpse is a unique design that enables learning from today's data to drive what-if analysis for tomorrow's forecast. Engineers use an agile analysis process to identify data flows and common business objects. From this, engineers assemble and test a powerful Glimpse model. In operation, Glimpse uses acquired data to adjust model coefficients. The Glimpse model then predicts future outcomes for a variety of scenarios defined by what-if inputs. Glimpse connects to real-time systems of all types across your entire enterprise. A robust collection of connectors and transformation tools ensures that Glimpse will interface to all the systems you use. Glimpse real-time transformations vary from simple date, time, and currency conversions to complex machine learning and rule-based transformations. The Glimpse contact center model shown here was built for a major logistics provider. The provider had several work groups, each serving a different industrial customer base. Agents worked remotely, in the office, or in a hybrid arrangement. Case issue types varied from service queries to new orders, and contacts arrived by call, chat, or email. The Summary tab on the Logistics Provider dashboard shows familiar contact center performance measures, but with extraordinarily powerful tools to isolate answers quickly. Carefully selected controls isolate answers by NPS range, work group, work location, issue type, channel, training group, and case age. Performance ratios from real-time and historical data on the Summary tab carry over to the Resource Planning tab, where powerful forecasting tools help find better outcomes. Sliders here enable definition of a wide variety of future scenarios. With one click, we can isolate on a single issue type. We can change any what-if value with a slider. For example, we can increase talk time and see our cost per call increase. With these sliders, we can find staffing and performance levels that best meet customer satisfaction and cost per call targets. With Glimpse, you can change your assumptions, measure impacts, and find great solutions without having to leave the meeting empty-handed to circle back later with more answers.